Hi guys, Artie here. Today I'm going to show you some features inside RTFX Generator that will help you start making game animation. As a part of this tutorial, we'll take a look at a few examples based on free Unity demo scenes. Okay, let's see what we have here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the 2D platformer to show you the Simplify tool. We will then have a rummage around 2D roguelike to show you how it works with Pixelate tool. I will show you a space shooter demo scene just to show you how FX animation works with different kinds of games, okay? You'll see the links to these projects in the description. I just want to point out that RTFX Generator was primarily intended for fixing game dev related problems. The truth is, I'm working in game development, and I always wanted to have such instrument at my disposal. And as it often happens, if there's no ready-made solution, you're just gonna have to go ahead and make it yourself. Usually, I would create a concept in Photoshop, or if I already have something to work with, I go straight to After Effects. So what I'll do now is I will take the gameplay video and I will show you what you can do with it using RTFX Generator. We'll do it in After Effects, but if you use other applications, you can always pre-render animations and import FX elements to the editor of your preference. Okay, let's open up a 2D platformer gameplay. Okay, so this project has a simplified, cartoonized sort of style, which is why we need to stylize the FX animation. At this point, what you want to do is use the Simplify tool. Press the Tool button, then go over to Controls and press Simplify. Then adjust the settings in Effects Control panel. And have a look at this. Just by using Simplify, we killed a few details and the animation really fits into the game design. Okay, let's see the final version. Now let's move on to another example. It's 2D roguelike. Visually, it's stylized to pixel graphics, which is why I'll take the RTFX Generator pack animations and I'll adjust the settings in a way that they'll look just the same. It's super simple. Go over to Controls and press Pixelate. Wow, not bad at all. Now let's see the result of what I just did. Okay, it's Space Shooter's turn now. It's a 3D game of shoot 'em up genre. The RTFX Generator animations should work smoothly with this one. Let's try and add a few elements. Would you take a look at this? Looks stunning, and obviously much better than before. Just look at these pulses and blasts. Looks like somebody launched a few rockets. Alright, now I'll show you guys how to integrate the animation with Unity or any other engine. So, for example, we'll take the plasma bursting out of this spaceship right here. I think looped fire animation should do the trick. So, head over to Tools, then Export. What we'll need is Sprite Sheet. Select the animation from the project panel and press Update to let the script adjust the size and the number of cells in the texture atlas. So pick the resolution, FPS, and the texture format. Oh yes, one more thing. Look at the lower part of the grid panel. You'll see frame dimension and cell size. You'll need this info when you'll be importing to Unity. Okay, so then press Make Sprite Sheet and choose the destination folder. So what we need to do now is to explain to Unity what is the spreadsheet and how come it makes loads of images of just one. Right, let's open up the Space Shooter first and turn off the roaring engine. The next step, importing texture. Create the game object and add a component. Components, Rendering, Sprite Render. Then get ready the texture atlas. To do that, select the texture and go to the Inspector panel to change the texture type to Sprite. Switch Sprite mode to Multiple and press Sprite Editor. Go to Slice menu and choose Grid by Cell Count or Grid by Cell Size. In our case, the first option will be more suitable because you can easily count the amount of cells, right? Now press Slice and delete all the empty cells. Now don't worry, we're almost done. Select the game object and move the texture to the sprite renderer sprite line. Open up Animation Panel and move all the frames to the Atlas panel. And that's it! You're done! Congratulations! And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good FX.